Hi, welcome back to Learn Italian with Ale. Bentornato. Today I'm going to teach you the right Italian pronunciation. To speak and to understand the Italian language is not enough to know the Italian alphabet. You need also to know how to pronounce each letter. The problem is that to each letter can correspond more than one sound, more than one phoneme. So now I will help you to understand the Italian phonemes. And by doing this, we will also learn some Italian words. Let's start from the Italian vowels. The vowels A is pronounced as in the word casa. Listen, casa. The vowel E has two different pronunciations, one open and one closed. We find the open E in the word bello, bello, while in the word neve, neve, the E is closed, neve. The vowel I is pronounced as in the word libro, libro. The vowel O could be open, olio, olio, or closed, dolce, dolce. Listen now to the vowel U in the word luna, luna. Let's see now the Italian consonants. The letter B is pronounced as in the word barba, barba. Can you hear the difference between the word culla and ciao in the pronunciation of the letter C? Culla, ciao. In the first one, the C is pronounced K. In the second one, the letter C is pronounced Ch. Ch. Culla, ciao. Letter D. Dado. Dado. F. Farfalla. Farfalla. The letter G is quite difficult because it has many pronunciations. So listen to gamba, gelo. Gamba, gelo. If we have a L after the letter G, aglio, aglio. If we have a N after the letter G, gnomo, gnomo. Letter L, lama, lama. M, mamma, mamma. Letter N, nave, nave. Letter P, ponte, ponte. Letter Q, quadro, quadro. Letter R, rana, rana. This is the most difficult and tricky for English native speakers because you don't have this sound in English. Exercise for this evening: try to say rana, rana for 100 times. Try to listen to the difference. Sole, rosa, sole, rosa. So the letter S, sole, rosa. If we have a C after S, sciame, sciame. Letter T, tetto, tetto. Letter V, vento, vento. Letter Z, danza, zero, danza, zero. The difference is very subtle here. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, subscribe my channel and consider following me on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon in the next video. A presto!